In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Instagram Map and stop sharing your location. Instagram's map feature can show where you've been sharing from, which is handy for discovery, but not always ideal for privacy. Let's quickly make sure your location isn't visible on the map, and then I'll show you an optional setting on your phone for extra peace of mind. Start by opening the Instagram app. From your home feed, tap the messages icon in the top right. This is the paper airplane or messenger symbol that takes you to your direct messages. At the very top of your inbox, you'll see a map icon. Tap that to open Instagram Map. In the map view, look to the top right again and tap the settings gear. You'll see a section labeled Who can see your location? Choose No one. When you're prompted, confirm by tapping Done or Update. That's it. Your location will no longer be shared on Instagram Map, and you won't appear on the map to other people. If you want even stronger privacy, you can also disable Instagram's access to your phone's location. This is optional but effective because it prevents the app from using location data at all. On iPhone, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Instagram, then tap Location, set it to Never. If you prefer to keep some functionality but reduce accuracy, you can also turn off Precise Location here so the app can't pinpoint your exact spot. On Android, open your phone settings, go to Apps and Notifications, find Instagram, then Permissions and choose Location. Set it to Deny to revoke access. Menu names can vary slightly by device, but the path is the same. Settings, Instagram, Permissions, Location, then Deny. A couple of quick notes to keep everything consistent. If you add a location tag to a post or story, that can place the content on the map. To keep posts off the map, skip the location tag or remove it before publishing. Also, Instagram Map is opt-in, so if you don't share your location, you won't appear there by default. The steps we just covered ensure your map visibility is turned off, and if you choose that the app can't access your location altogether, you're all set. These changes protect your privacy while letting you keep using Instagram normally. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.